Hello, I am Dr. Stalin Ramprakash. I am one of the pediatric hematologist, oncologist and bone marrow transplant consultant. Today in this video, I am going to talk about childhood cancers. If you are watching this video, it is possible that either your child or one of your child known to you has been diagnosed with cancer. One of the first questions which comes to the parent's mind is that, why did my child develop cancer? How it happened? Cancer is a condition where some of the cells in your body are dividing out of control. Normally, the cells divide in a very controlled fashion. If your body needs more cells, the cells divide. If they don't need, then they stop dividing. Whereas cancer is a situation where the cells do not follow the normal rules. They are on their own, continuously dividing and becoming more and more, and they can start invading other parts of the body as well. And thereby, eventually, if you don't treat it, they go out of control and even they can result in death. Why did this happen? This is because the cell multiplication is a very controlled process, and that is controlled by the genes. When one cell becomes two cells, all the genetic material in one cell has to be copied into the next cell. This is a very orderly process. The amount of genetic material is quite large, and this is a lot of information. You can imagine like you are copying some, say, 23 pairs of volumes of big books of this size, and all that information has to be copied perfectly without mistake. Sometimes mistakes do happen. When the mistake happens in critical genes which control the cell multiplication, that is when the cell goes out of control. And that is what we call as a cancer in simple terms. How common is childhood cancer? Childhood cancer is a rare disease, but still it can happen to anybody. So if it has happened to one of the child known to you or your child, it is unfortunate, but with the modern medicine, this can be cured. Roughly in a, say, 60 million population, about somewhere around 600 to 700 children may get cancer in a year's time.